decor enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of modern wall decoration with a twist: floating wall shelves. These shelves aren't just about storage, they're a contemporary design element that adds personality and functionality to your space. Join me as we explore stunning floating wall shelf designs that elevate your home decor game. Transforming your walls into stylish displays is all about selecting the right floating shelves. Let's explore these modern designs. 1. Minimalist floating shelves. Less is more. Minimalist floating shelves offer clean lines and simplicity, adding a touch of modern elegance to your walls. 2. Geometric floating shelf arrangements. Play with geometry. Arranging floating shelves in geometric patterns, triangles, squares, or hexagons creates a visually dynamic and artistic display. 3. Rustic wood floating shelves. Embrace rustic charm. Wooden floating shelves bring warmth and character, blending modern design with natural elements. 4. Acrylic floating shelves. Modern transparency. Acrylic floating shelves offer a sleek and almost invisible look, providing functionality without visually cluttering the space. 5. Industrial pipe floating shelves. Add an industrial vibe. Floating shelves made with metal pipes blend an edgy, urban aesthetic, merging functionality with industrial design. Whether it's the simplicity of minimalist designs, the artistry of geometric arrangements, the warmth of rustic wood, the modernity of acrylic, or the edginess of industrial pipes, each floating wall shelf design offers a distinct style for your home decor. Thanks for exploring these captivating floating wall shelf designs with us. If you're inspired to enhance your wall decor, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor inspirations.